Hi, I'm lifestyle expert Brooke Young with my essentials for the festive season. So you better watch out and you better be on the nice list because we have a great beverage option for you. Santa Claus Toller is the holliest, jolliest of Christmas beverages. A limited edition featuring award-winning Claus Toller original lager with a touch of cranberry and cinnamon to make your holiday merry and bright. Claus Toller is the pioneer in non-alcoholic beer, inventing the space 45 years ago. The non-alcoholic beer category is the fastest growing segment in the industry. Serve it ice cold, just like it would be at Santa's home in the North Pole. Find it at Wegmans, Whole Food Market, or wherever fine beer is sold. Holiday season is a busy travel time, a hilarious must-have travel companion. Airport Antics Tales from the Terminal by world-traveling psychologist, author, and people watcher Dr. Cali Estes is an uproarious collection of real airport encounters and human behavior gold. Perfect binge-worthy holiday travel book or excellent gift. Packed with outrageous stories pulled straight from her real-life adventures, this book is perfect to avoid holiday terminal monotony and includes a free digital airport bingo card to pass the time, spotting those wild holiday characters you only see in airports. Airport Antics can be found on Amazon, $17.99 for paperback and $3.99 via Kindle. A warm, tasty meal during the winter is an essential during soup season, and now there's a new healthy option we can all enjoy during the winter months. Long Weekend is a new line of premium instant soups with 4 on-trend flavors: carrot ginger, Thai coconut curry, tomato bisque, and my favorite, minestrone. They're made with non-GMO ingredients and no artificial flavors, colors, preservatives, or added sugars. And don't forget, January is National Soup Month. Available now at grocers nationwide like Wegmans, The Fresh Market, Amazon, Walmart.com, or you can buy directly at eatlongweekend.com.